AppSheet allows you to digitize processes without code, turning simple spreadsheets into AI-enhanced enterprise apps. It is an intelligent, no-code platform integrated directly into Google Workspace, enabling you to streamline operations and improve communication. App creation is a linear journey in 3 acts: data, app, and deploy. Start by defining your data, building the experience, and then launching it to your team. Step 1 is establishing the data foundation. You can use familiar tools like Google Sheets or Excel, or AppSheet Databases for better performance, scalability, and strict typing. You can even use Gemini AI to generate a table structure from a prompt. To structure your data for success, follow the 3 golden rules. Use 1 row of headers without special characters. Employ data validation for consistency, and ensure every row has a unique key for accurate updates. Relational data is about connecting tables, creating a parent-child relationship. Using a ref column type allows you to link records, so clicking on one item, like an owner, automatically reveals their related list of tasks. AppSheet offers 11 out-of-the-box view types like deck, table, and map view that requires 0 coding to implement. These intelligent views help users interact with data intuitively. Slices refine the data stream by creating custom subsets of your data. For example, a pending task slice can filter out completed work and only show items assigned to the logged-in user. Apply visual logic and branding using conditional formatting rules. You can change text color based on date, show warning icons for overdue statuses, and apply your brand's color to headers for better visual distinction. Actions are user-triggered logic. They can be simple data actions like edit row, external actions such as open Google Maps, or grouped actions that perform multiple steps like complete and notify. Automation involves system-triggered logic, operating in the background as if this then that bots. Triggers can be data changes, like a status update, leading to a process and an action, such as sending an email notification. You can extend AppSheet capabilities to chat. Features include one-click enable to turn apps into chatbots, configurable /commands like /search, and push notifications to send alerts to specific chat spaces. Collaboration and sharing are easy. Co-authors can edit the app definition, structure, and UI, while users can view and modify the data. You can also send broadcast notifications to instantly inform all users of updates. Before deployment, complete the deployment check. Move from prototype to deployed state only after passing checks for security filters, user access control, PII, and app performance. This ensures optimization for all users. Monitoring and health features provide an audit history and performance analyzer. Versioning allows you to view and revert to previous app definitions if errors occur, ensuring stability. AppSheet is an intelligent data layer connecting your entire Google Workspace. It integrates with Google Docs, Gmail, AppScript, and Cloud SQL or BigQuery, creating a truly integrated ecosystem.